Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. Right, so my microphone cable is a little bit short. Today I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch. I've gone ahead and laid down my white, give it a bit of a torch. So I'm going to be using the same colors as I did for that other beautiful blowout. I think it was like 2 videos ago. And I just want to try something different, see what I get from it. So I have this beautiful aqua blue which I've made up myself. And I'm going to go ahead and lay down quite a bit of it. So how I made this is I used B.A.D blue and I added a tiny bit of yellow, and you keep adding yellow until you get to the desired color, and then you start adding white to tone it down. So this is Dioxodine Purple, and here I have the amethyst metallic, which I've added to. Let's put a whole heap of that down. And hopefully I won't have too much paint for this tiny little canvas. Canvases, paints, anything artsy at the moment here in New Zealand is so hard to come by. I am totally out of white. Yeah, it's crazy. To try and order online is quite something else because everything is just selling out. So we only have a population of 5 million people in total who are not actually all that artsy. I mean, there are quite a few people who are artsy, but you know, if you consider the fact that you can't actually get any you can't buy any supplies, they're all out of stock. Okay, so that was yellow, PBO medium yellow, and I'm adding some gold. Now the last time I did this, or did a pour using these colors, I put the gold first and the yellow last. I don't want to use too much gold because the gold really takes over. Okie dokie. The gold is so blingy blingy. Loving that already. Get rid of that doodad. Okay guys, let's give this a go. You can hear cops, sirens, police sirens in the background. Who could they be chasing when it's a lockdown? But anyway, I always find that quite amusing. Oh, let me give that a torch first. Okie dokie. Let's go. So I'm just thinking now which would be the best way to blow. Okay, let's hope I don't muck this up. Okay, I'm loving what I'm seeing that's going on here, although I do feel like I need to blow some out. So let me do that. And that is looking really, really beautiful. Right guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, so this is it. It's been sitting for a little while. I'm loving this part over here with all the cells. I must say it came out very pretty. Not at all what was in my mind, but I'll try again. But in the meantime, I think it turned out beautiful. I really like working with this color combination. So all of those beautiful petals, different colors, and hopefully it's picking up the different colors. I might just put this light on so you can see better. Let's see if how good I am with one hand. You can see the colors better and the shimmering. Really has quite a bit of depth to it. I love these colors here. It's kind of like purples and blues all mixed up, blended together. Well guys, thank you so much again for watching and all your beautiful comments and liking and subscribing. And if you're interested in any of my art, you can contact me on withBade@gmail.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep well, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys, bye.